Throughout history, Earth has seen the rise and fall of extraordinary creatures. Today we stand on the brink of a scientific marvel, the potential resurgence of dinosaurs. Could these magnificent creatures adapt to our modern world, signaling a new era of harmony or unleashing chaos? Join me as we explore the hypothetical scenarios of dinosaurs roaming the Earth once more. Imagine a world where the skies are filled with pterosaurs, their massive wings casting shadows over the land below. These prehistoric flying reptiles with their impressive wingspans would be a sight to behold, soaring above our cities and countrysides. And in the dense jungles the ground would tremble with the footsteps of sauropods, their long necks reaching high into the canopy to feed on leaves. The echoes of their calls would resonate through the forests, a reminder of a time long past. The return of dinosaurs would be a global phenomenon, capturing the imagination of people everywhere. But the question remains, could these ancient creatures truly thrive in today's world? The Earth has undergone dramatic changes since the age of dinosaurs. Continents have drifted apart, creating new land masses and oceans. Climates have shifted, leading to the development of diverse ecosystems. Even the composition of the air has evolved, with different levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide. In this modern age, could dinosaurs find suitable habitats to call home? Our world is now a mosaic of environments, from lush forests and arid deserts to icy tundras and sprawling urban areas. Each habitat presents its own set of challenges and opportunities. Consider the Tyrannosaurus rex, one of the most iconic and fearsome predators of its time. With its massive jaws and powerful build, it was perfectly adapted to hunt the prey of the Cretaceous period. However, in today's world, the T-Rex would face stiff competition from evolved mammals like lions and tigers. These modern predators have honed their hunting skills over millions of years, making them formidable adversaries. Could the T-Rex adapt to a world where it is no longer the undisputed king of the food chain? It would need to navigate new terrains, hunt different prey, and compete with predators that have evolved in its absence. Herbivorous dinosaurs, too, would face significant challenges. These gentle giants, once the dominant plant eaters, would now share their habitats with modern herbivores like elephants and rhinoceroses. Modern plants have evolved a variety of defenses to deter herbivores, including thorns, tough leaves, and chemical compounds. These adaptations could pose a significant challenge to dinosaur digestive systems, which evolved to process the vegetation of their time. Could dinosaur digestive systems cope with these new defenses? The ability to adapt to new food sources would be crucial for their survival. Additionally, the introduction of diseases poses another obstacle. Dinosaurs, having been isolated from modern animals for millions of years, would lack immunity to today's pathogens. This lack of immunity could make them highly susceptible to diseases that modern animals have adapted to. Exposure to even seemingly harmless viruses could devastate dinosaur populations, leading to widespread illness and death. The impact of such diseases could ripple through ecosystems, affecting other wildlife and even humans. The introduction of novel diseases could have far-reaching consequences, potentially disrupting the delicate balance of nature and impacting the health of both wildlife and human populations. The question of dinosaur survival is not just about physical adaptation but also ecological integration. Could these ancient reptiles find their place in today's complex web of life, coexisting with modern species and maintaining ecological balance? Could these ancient reptiles find their place in today's web of life? Their presence would undoubtedly alter the dynamics of ecosystems, potentially leading to new interactions and relationships among species. Or would their return disrupt the delicate balance of nature, leading to unforeseen consequences? The reintroduction of dinosaurs could trigger a cascade of ecological changes, some of which might be beneficial while others could be detrimental. The true impact of their return remains a tantalizing mystery, one that continues to captivate our imagination. Picture a herd of triceratops charging through a savanna, their massive bodies moving in unison, creating a thunderous sound that echoes across the plains. These ancient giants, with their formidable horns and frills, would be a sight to behold, transforming the landscape with their sheer presence. Or imagine pterosaurs soaring above cities, their wings casting shadows over skyscrapers. These magnificent creatures with wingspans rivaling small airplanes would dominate the skies, creating a new dynamic in urban environments. The return of dinosaurs would reshape our landscapes and ecosystems in ways we can scarcely imagine. Their presence would introduce new interactions and relationships among species, altering the balance of nature. Large herbivorous dinosaurs would impact plant life significantly, leading to changes in plant diversity and distribution. Their grazing habits would influence which plants thrive and which ones diminish, creating a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem. Ecosystems could be dramatically altered as these behemoths trample vegetation and create clearings. These clearings would provide new opportunities for different plant species to grow, potentially increasing biodiversity in some areas while reducing it in others. The reintroduction of apex predators like the T-Rex would send shockwaves through the animal kingdom. These formidable hunters would compete with modern predators, potentially driving some species to adapt or face extinction. Modern predators would face fierce competition for resources, leading to new survival strategies and possibly even new evolutionary paths. The presence of such powerful competitors would force them to adapt in ways we can only speculate about. Prey animals would need to adapt quickly or face extinction. The constant threat of predation from these ancient giants would drive evolutionary changes, leading to new behaviors, physical adaptations, and survival strategies. Imagine plesiosaurs patrolling the oceans, competing with whales and sharks for dominance. These marine reptiles would introduce new dynamics in the oceanic food web, potentially altering the balance of marine ecosystems. Pterosaurs could outcompete birds of prey for food and nesting sites, leading to shifts in avian populations. Their dominance in the skies would force birds to find new niches or face decline. Their presence would affect aerial ecosystems, influencing populations of insects, birds, and bats. The competition for food in space would lead to new ecological balances and possibly the emergence of new species. Dinosaurs would influence seed dispersal, pollination, soil nutrient cycling, and carbon sequestration. Their interactions with the environment would create new pathways for energy and nutrient flow, reshaping the very fabric of ecosystems. The fabric of life on Earth would be woven anew, with dinosaurs playing a pivotal role. Their presence would create new ecological networks, influencing the survival and evolution of countless species. The ecological impact of dinosaurs would extend far beyond their immediate interactions. Their influence would ripple through ecosystems, affecting everything from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. Their presence could reshape the very structure of ecosystems, creating new landscapes and altering the course of evolution. The return of dinosaurs would be a profound and transformative event, forever changing the world as we know it. The return of dinosaurs raises the question of coexistence. Imagine a world where these magnificent creatures once again roam the Earth. How would our lives change? Would we be able to adapt to their presence? Or would it lead to unforeseen challenges and conflicts? Could humans share the planet with these ancient reptiles? Or would their presence spark conflict? The sight of dinosaurs walking through our cities would be both awe-inspiring and terrifying. People might react with a mix of fascination and fear, unsure of how to interact with these colossal beings. The initial response would be one of awe and wonder. Imagine children gazing at dinosaurs in zoos, their eyes wide with amazement. Crowds would gather around exhibits, eager to catch a glimpse of these prehistoric giants. The educational opportunities would be immense, offering a new perspective on Earth's history. Zoos and research facilities would become centers of intense study. Scientists would be eager to learn more about dinosaur behavior, biology, and ecology. These institutions would play a crucial role in understanding how to manage and care for these creatures in a modern world. However, the challenges of coexisting with dinosaurs would be immense. Their sheer size and strength could lead to significant destruction in urban areas. Buildings and infrastructure would need to be reinforced to withstand the presence of these powerful animals. Their size and power would pose a threat to human settlements and infrastructure. Navigating through cities would become a complex task, with people needing to avoid encounters with these massive creatures. The risk of accidents and damage would be ever present. Imagine a herd of sauropods migrating through a city, or a T-Rex in an urban environment. The sight would be both majestic and alarming. Managing their movements and ensuring public safety would require innovative solutions and constant vigilance. The potential for conflict would be ever present. Dinosaurs, driven by their natural instincts, might clash with humans over territory and resources. The chaos that could ensue would be a significant challenge for authorities and communities alike. Competition for resources could lead to clashes between humans and dinosaurs. As both species vie for food and space, tensions would inevitably rise. Strategies to mitigate these conflicts would be essential to ensure a peaceful coexistence. New strategies for deterring and controlling these creatures would be necessary. Barriers, deterrents, and security measures would need to be developed and implemented to protect human populations and property from potential dinosaur incursions. Despite the challenges, peaceful coexistence cannot be entirely discounted. There is potential for humans and dinosaurs to live in harmony, provided that we find ways to manage their presence effectively. This would require a deep understanding of their needs and behaviors. Humans have a history of domesticating animals. From horses to elephants, we have successfully integrated large creatures into our societies. This history suggests that, with time and effort, we might be able to do the same with certain species of dinosaurs. Could we find ways to coexist with certain species of dinosaurs? Training and integrating them into human activities could be a possibility. This would open up new avenues for interaction and cooperation between our species. The ethical implications of such interactions would be profound. We would need to consider the welfare of the dinosaurs, the safety of humans, and the impact on our ecosystems. These discussions would shape the future of our coexistence with these ancient beings. The return of dinosaurs would fundamentally reshape human civilization. Imagine a world where the roar of a T-Rex replaces the rumble of tanks. Militaries would seek to harness the power of dinosaurs. Genetically engineered raptors could be deployed as attack units. Armored ankylosaurs could serve as living tanks. The nature of warfare would be revolutionized. The economic impact would be profound. New industries would emerge, dedicated to breeding and utilizing dinosaurs. Dinosaur ranching could replace traditional livestock farming. The tourism industry would boom. Scientifically, the return of dinosaurs would be a goldmine of knowledge. Studying their biology could unlock secrets of genetics, evolution, and disease resistance. However, the resurgence of dinosaurs could exacerbate social and economic disparities. The ethical implications of manipulating and exploiting these creatures would spark heated debates. Could dinosaurs rise to dominance, supplanting humans as rulers of Earth? Imagine a scenario where efforts to control dinosaur populations fail. A virus could decimate human populations while leaving dinosaurs unaffected. Climate change could create conditions favorable to dinosaur survival. In this new world order, dinosaurs would inherit the Earth, cities would crumble, reclaimed by nature. Could dinosaurs evolve beyond their prehistoric limitations? Imagine a world ruled by intelligent velociraptors or troodons. Would they develop their own forms of technology, art, and culture? The rise of intelligent dinosaurs could lead to a planet vastly different from the one we know today. The return of dinosaurs offers a glimpse into a world both wondrous and terrifying. It compels us to confront our place in the grand tapestry of life. The story of life on Earth is one of constant change, adaptation, and extinction. Have we learned from the past? Can we forge a future where both humans and dinosaurs thrive? The answers remain elusive, but one thing is certain. The return of dinosaurs would forever alter the course of life on Earth. It would challenge our understanding of the natural world and our place within it.